First, I cut the pattern with my maker-made M2. I cut long segments with a circular saw to make sure they're perfectly straight. Need more boards for the frame. To make joints, I start with a rough cut first. Then I use a template and a router to cut to the exact size. Before gluing pieces together, I drill holes for dowels. Those holes also help to align pieces. Running low on walnut dowels, so have to use regular ones, leaving just enough space on top for a walnut finish. Similar process to connect all parts of the frame. Finally, the last piece. Just some more sanding all around and voila!